Hey everyone, welcome back! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add UPI payment options to your Shopify store, so your customers in India can pay easily using methods like Google Pay, PhonePe, PayU, or any other Up UPI app. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, go to Settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click on Payments. This is where you can manage all the payment methods available on your store. Shopify supports UPI through several payment gateways. If you're selling in India, you'll see options like Razorpay, Cashfree, PayU, PayU, or CC. Each of these gateways supports UPI payments, along with debit cards, credit cards, and net banking. To set one up, choose a payment provider that supports UPI. Let's take Razorpay as an example. Click on Choose a Provider, select Razorpay from the list, and click Connect. You'll be redirected to the Razorpay website where you'll need to log in or create a Razorpay account. Once you're logged in, connect your Razorpay account to Shopify by following the on-screen prompts. Razorpay will verify your business details, bank account, and domain ownership. After verification, UPI payments will be automatically enabled as one of the options on your checkout page. If you prefer using another gateway, like PayU or Cashfree, the process is almost the same. Just connect your account, verify your details, and activate UPI from the payment settings inside that provider's dashboard. After everything's connected, go back to Shopify and make sure the payment method is activated. You can even test it by making a small purchase in your store. At checkout, you should now see UPI listed as one of the available payment options. And that's it. You've successfully added UPI payments to your Shopify store. Now your customers can complete their purchases faster and more securely using their preferred UPI apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other Shopify tutorials where I walk you through everything from customizing your theme to managing your products and payments. See you in the next one.